On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
What's going on, gang, 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 gang? What's going on, everybody? What's going on? We're getting a little bit of a push. You guys are getting excited. You guys longed the bottom, didn't you? I almost longed the bottom, okay? Got stopped out by a hair. By a hair. Almost. Almost. You know those days where you see everybody enjoying the pump and you just got stopped out because you're just so good at risk management and you feel the pain. You feel the pain of all the gain you could have had And you knew that if you just held overnight while you slept, checking your phone every 3 seconds, making sure that your wife isn't upset that your phone keeps flashing on and off every 3 seconds, and you just knew the gains you could have had. And you're sitting there looking at the chart, and then it pumps again, and then it pumps again, only to make you more miserable, and you don't know how to have a short memory. That's exactly what's going on. I got my ears lowered yesterday, as you can see. I went, with that crypto money, I went and got my ears lowered. So we're all ear today. So make sure you guys are saying good morning. I would love to hear you. I used to get made fun of these bad boys, back in the day. My satellite dishes over here on the side of my head. They're not that bad. But when, that stage when you're young and you're like 8 and your head hasn't grown, but your ears have grown, there's some pictures. I tell you, there's some pictures where I'm like, wow, I was like legit Dumbo. Like I could have probably jumped off the monkey bars and glided to the ground kind of deal. What's going on, guys? Otter gang. Good morning to everybody in here. Jesse, Play the Great, Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Captain Kirk, mad love to you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful morning. My God, Bitcoin pushing. It's pushing. Should we have, I got stopped at 94. I got stopped at 94.2. Okay, I got in too early. Let's be honest. Okay, let's have a moment here. I got in at 95.4. Okay, I jumped the gun, man. This pump kind of tricked me here. I should have just waited. Man. I'm telling you, I should have just waited. Looking to come all the way up to this order block. This was the long I was looking to get in yesterday. And I literally got stopped at 220 or something like that. I'm upset. I could have made $1 million, okay? Oof. Anyways, this is just goes to show you, a short memory is very important in trading. On to the next one. Get on the horse. Use good risk management. Thank you. Good job. You use good risk management. You missed a trade. You got to go on to the next one. And that's what it's all about. Okay. Good morning to everybody. Make sure you are saying good morning. We have data. Okay. Data or data. I call it data. You can call me data because I am a data now. We got inflation. Okay. What do you guys think? Let me know. Do you think inflation is bad? Like when you go to the grocery store, how bad is inflation? Like, I'm telling you, we spend like $400 on groceries. And that's like quite often too. And like, we ain't buying anything fancy. Not mean. Nothing fancy. The only thing fancy we buying is cheese because Mrs. Otter loves cheese. You gotta buy good cheese. No matter what, you always gotta buy good cheese. Now you guys are getting hungry. I can see you getting hungry in the chat. All right, so looking for continuation here. A little sweep of the highs this morning, okay? Ascending triangle trying to break out here, but my God, Bitcoin wants to run away. Wants to run away from us. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Thank you guys so much for being here. Mad love to every single one of you. IKO, let's go. Jesse, good luck, mama. Lucky Deal, what's going on? Curtis Neal, Lucky Deal. I like that. I like when names rhyme in order. So could you guys please synchronize that somehow? And is there someone named Canuck? Jesse, good luck, Can we get it going? Can we get it going, man? Look at all these absolute legends in the chat. My God. Good morning, Alex O'Crypto and the Otter gang. What's going on, gang? Good to see you guys. You always wanted to be in a gang, but you never wanted to do the crime, right? Well, this is your opportunity to be part of the gang. Maybe you're in a gang. I don't know. That's up to you. However, this is a safe gang, okay? This gang, there's no initiation. The only initiation is you do say good morning. I expect good mornings. Okay, the stream has not even started and it already has 8 likes. Look at that. Look at that. What a trade yesterday, guys. The only channel that was able to take a successful 1% long yesterday. I guarantee you. There was no other channel on the plethora of all YouTube channels, of all the open mouth thumbnails, of all the bullshit that you see with the prediction videos. There was no other channel that was able to give you the 1% move we took yesterday off VWAP. Look at that. 1% move. We took it. Okay, look at this. Nothing else. No one else. I'm telling you, no one else took this trade. They didn't have the stones. They didn't have the bollocks. Whatever you want to call it. They did not take our beautiful long trade off of our VWAP scalp to the upside. I bet you they didn't. I bet you they didn't. Also, we did call the dump. Okay, if you were in our Discord, no, we didn't take the beautiful short. Okay, but we did warn everybody in our Discord. Okay, you can see here. Yesterday we said Adam and Eve. We said this yesterday. Adam and Eve breaking down. Etch-a-sketch drawing. Still accurate, okay? Etch-a-sketch, man. We crushed it with Etch-a-sketch. Like, congratulations, okay? So maybe some of you guys took the short. I didn't take the short. I was too busy teaching and stuff like that, but I expect us to come back down to VWAP right now for continuation. Looking at this thing, we are pushing upwards here, okay? So can we come back down to VWAP with some ugly inflation news maybe? Okay, ugly inflation news. Sweep of the highs in here. Okay. We'll see what we get today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I do expect good mornings, by the way. Okay. I got the other indicator on here, too, for you guys. You guys are making me get analysis paralysis. We still crushed it. Let's go. Crush it today. Lucky deal. Jesse, good luck. Curtis Neal. I like that, man. Airdropper, what's going on? Randy El Gallo, good morning. Getting a sweep of the lows again now. Okay, sweep of the lows. Honestly, I'm not going to take a trade for 25 minutes. I'm waiting for the data, okay? But I'm here to talk to you guys. We can make a plan. We can execute the plan like we always do. But make sure you're saying good morning. Crypto Traveler, what's going on? CM Designs, good morning to you. Forget about it. Let's get after it. Relentlessly. Oh, man, that was probably the long right there. Right there. I guarantee it. Nah, it's... you know what? Could be. I would like to see us come down into here. Somewhere in here, baby. Somewhere over the rainbow. Okay? Just because the stair-stepping, where has it gotten a little bit out of hand? Okay, you can see here, this is where I longed yesterday and got stopped out, by the way, if you were wondering. Stair-stepping. You see, we didn't have like a full retracement in here. So that's the idea here is that, hey, we've come up here and we haven't even really retested 382. Okay, pretty aggressive bounce here. So for me, coming into here would make more sense. Make more dollars, you know what I mean? But up only right now, up only. Then a very aggressive push out. And we're starting to develop some sort of triangle here, right? So we got this triangle in here. So if we come in here, oh, bang, right? Bang. We'll see. We'll see. A little bit of selling pressure right now. Hopefully coming down here. We'll see what we get. Okay? And then zooming in, that would be over here, okay? For all you people who don't like my 3-minute time frame, you're going to have to find someone else to give you trade setups, man. I can't just spoon feed everyone. What's going on, Lunar Beaches Crypto? Mad love to you, brother. Good to see you. Joan, good to see you. I re-entered 3 times. Let's go. Morning, brother. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Jesse, good luck. Kai Dragon, good morning to you. Xena, the pink hand. I always need to see the pink hand, Xena. Thank you for being here. Chicken, good morning. Mad love to you, brother. I'm still long from Monday in a swing trade, so much easier. Okay. Okay. I mean, you swing trading is peaceful, man. I'm jealous of all you swing traders. But I can get like 5 trades into one swing trade, so maximizing my profits in some sort of way, hopefully, you know? Hurries. Good morning, Brat. Brat. Oh, okay. Good morning. Anthony Soprano, push it to the limit. Good morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. CG Beats in the chat. Mad love to you, man. What's going on, Nick? Good to see you, my brother. Callan Quick, good morning. Lotmo Crypto, let's get it. Football Booth taught me and gave me short-term memory loss. Oof. What's going on, Wild Deuces? Waltz Jesse, what's going on? Never skimp on the cheese. Absolutely. Canada inflation is out of control. I mean, it's pretty disgusting. I'll tell you that much. Pretty disgusting. Shepard, good morning to you. Good morning, Frank, for Fit for Life Crypto. Otter gang. Mad love to you, bro. NW, good morning. Good to see you as well. Blair Stevenson, good morning. Remember, everyone, to be careful. Trading on red folder days. You're talking about the news, okay? He's talking about Forex Factory, red folder days. Oh my God, red folder days, okay? Meaning important folder days. I just use this one, impact. You can get everything else on here, but yeah, keeps it simple for me, man. This keeps it simple for me. I'm a pleb by heart, okay? A pleb by heart. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing up those like buttons. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. What's going on, Chris? How's it going, man? I was in a BMX gang growing up. Oh yeah, look at you. Of course you were. We won't go into our previous histories of all the gangs. We know Jesse was probably in like the Pokemon gang. Sam Zerker here was in the Yu-Gi-Oh gang. The bird next door here, he was in the Dungeons and Dragon gang in the corner there, hanging out with all those guys who are now our bosses. Okay. Good morning, all. That CVD doesn't lie. Today is exactly the same scenario like yesterday. Delta is going lower lows while price is going up. We have absorption to the upside. Building shorts? Are they building shorts to crash it down on everyone's head? Good morning from NC, North Carolina, I would guess. NC, North. I wish it was North Pole or something cool like that. Like I'm in an igloo, man. Good to see you. Good morning, Otter gang. Got stopped out as well, but I'd rather survive long term. There's always millions of opportunities. FOMO ain't got on me no more. That's it. That's why you come here, because we don't FOMO. We try to execute with good risk management. Okay, you could be right on some FOMO, and that's the problem. Is that sometimes you're right, and sometimes they let you in, but a lot of the times they wreck you. So you got to be very cautious here. We got a little trigger wave printing right now. Yeah, we still got time, my friends. We still got time. Looking at this, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Okay, the daily curving back up. Okay, curving back up. The 5-day printed yesterday. Okay, coming back down. Curving, nice curvature here for our VWAP. Okay, something to keep in mind here. 2-day capping out here a little bit, but lots of opportunity to roll up. Okay, roll up the rim to win. And look at the trigger waves on this 12-hour. Are we going to be so naive to think that it can't happen again? That it can't happen again where price just decides to go, yeehaw, right? Trigger wave. What do you think this one's going to do? You think it's going to give us a trigger wave to the upside? I mean, VWAP crossover, trigger wave. VWAP crossover, trigger wave. This 12-hour has paid us beautifully. So, and that means we can get in on the long, right? I don't think this is the move just here. I think this is maybe half the move, okay? So we can get in on the long as long as we're, getting in properly in an area of confluence, an area of where we can manage our risk, okay? That's going to be critical for this to play out. 4-hour. Pushing up, lots of room. Now, as we get into the 2, the 3, and the 1 hour, I went totally backwards there, 3, 2, 1 hours. You can see that this is starting to get overextended, just like the VWAP here on our 4-hour here. So just looking in here, you can see trigger wave to the downside, VWAP crossover here, trying to get above the 0 line. Red dot now on the hourly, VWAP crossover to the downside. So this tells me, hey, we're probably going to cool off, you know, and these cool offs, look at these to the downside. These are pretty nasty, okay? This is more of an anchor wave, though, so we could get that. So be cautious here. Be cautious. That's all I got to say is no long yet. The long was here if you didn't get stopped out. The long was here if you didn't get stopped out. And now we wait. Now we wait. I think CryptoFace is in a long from somewhere over here, which is pretty cool. Shout out to CryptoFace for sponsoring this channel. Mad love to you, brother. You know we love you here. Market Cipher Life. Gobble, gobble. Ho, ho, ho is the new code if you do want to get Market Cipher at a discount. If you don't have to use my link, but you can get 60% off for saying ho, 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 the savings. Okay? So that's kind of the idea right now. Right now, looking for a little bit of a cool off. We got a mitigation of the high up here, right? You can see equal highs, right? And returning back into here, this would be my significant low, okay? I'm not really looking at this as a significant low. This would be my significant low for now. For now. So, but the problem was, remember we talked about this. We didn't get the nice retracement in here. So could this be like a wave up and then we get the retracement in here? We'll see. We'll see. We'll adjust as we go, okay? We'll adjust as we go. Hopefully we can take advantage of price action. Just got to be confident and use good risk management, okay? I was thinking about longing or shorting this morning, but I didn't. It was so easy, but I didn't take it, okay? So good morning to everyone in here. Thank you so much for being here. Mad love to all of you guys. The bird next door, hopefully you're doing well. French Toaster, the bravest toaster in all of crypto. Good morning, Crypto Ben. Creekside Patriot, good morning. Pod Jackie. Good morning, Alex. Let's go, Alex. Let's go. Good afternoon. Tony Soprano in the chat. Let's see some Tony Sopranos. Come on. We made memberships on YouTube cheap. So you guys should all be using these emojis. We need to add a Wix wife 589 in here. And then maybe we can add some other ones. Maybe we should have a beautiful, beautiful emoji contest. We are having a douche canoe contest in our Discord right now. So maybe we can put a douche canoe, a canoe in here or something. We'll see. You want me to go live on Christmas? Come on, guys. Really? I know you guys are my Otter family, but we ain't going live on Christmas. That's not right. Money, money, money. So there's something to do with this poll. Like you everybody out of guilt, they pick happy. Everybody out of guilt picks health and happiness. Let's face it. All you guys pick this because you don't want to seem like you're a greedy son of a bitch, okay? More money, more money. In my opinion, you make enough money on this bull run, okay? You make enough money on this bull run. I'm sorry, but you can free up your time. You can free up your stress. You can free up. Money is not the root of all evil. There's nothing wrong with profits. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. Money makes the world go round. We all know that. You know, we don't want to be greedy, but we also, you know, financial freedom, opportunity, chances to, you know, take care of our families, spend more time with them. That's why we're here, no? There's nothing wrong with that. I expect this money thing to go up higher just because you want health and happiness. So everybody at 41% here, just put it over at money so that you can spend more money on good food, on vacations, on whatever, on spa treatments, whatever. You want to go get your like rocks put on your back and shit like that. I don't know what you're into, man. But you can do more of that with this. It's funny, but it's true. And find something you're passionate about. That's why we're here trading. We love trading. We love trading. Trading is awesome. I might get long here. Whew, come on, baby. What are you doing to me? I hate when Mexi pop-ups. The pop-ups, new coin listed. New coin listed. New coin listed. Fuck off. Sorry, just getting a little upset with Mexi here. Sweep of the lows here. Yeah, I don't like it. We mitigate this low in here. Toppy. It's very toppy. I would like to see some 5 minute here. Let's see. VWAP's way down here. Down at the liquidity at this low in here. Yeah. No trade. No trade, my friends. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. I took the short and got stopped out in profit. Didn't give it enough room. That's all right, man. That's all right. You're managing your risk. That's good. Risk management, man. If you want to last in this game, risk management. Aaron Chang, good morning to you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. DDT, AO gang, just stopped in to got my son's nativity play this afternoon. Awesome, bro. Is that when like UK takes over Canada? Tries to take over Canada and we beat you with our beaver pelts? Is that nativity play? Is he playing the number one role of the king or something? We all know that Darren does things is a king, so he's got to have a short king being his son. Mad love to you, DDT. Thanks for dropping by and hitting that like button, man. Getting bought up a little bit here. Little trigger wave. Whew. Anchor trigger. VWAP curving to the downside. Money coming out. Not for me. Okay? Not for me. Patience, my friends. We're going to get some volatility within the next 12 minutes. We got 12 minutes. Wow, we better make sure we're saying good morning to everybody's. We are in the Sopranos with Anthony. Wolf and Bear, good morning. I feel a good trade coming today. Well, hopefully we can grab one. I would love to grab a good trade today. Little sweep of the lows coming in here. Kind of want to get long, man. I kind of want to get long. See the exhaustion coming in here. Good morning, Super Ofertas. Thanks for the VWAP video you made, learning a bit every day. No problem, man. Yeah, the VWAP video is pretty good. Just how to treat VWAP, okay? It's a tool, right? If you know how to use the tool, then you're going to be more efficient with it. If you don't know how to use the tool, or you don't have technique with the tool, if you don't have confluence, if you don't have reaction bias, especially in short-term trading, if you don't know how to use this thing, what the hell you have it on your chart for, man? Right? No point. Right? Look at this, okay? Remember we say move out with strengths, okay? Look, rejection. Okay, support. Okay, move through with strength. Retest. There's your short. Continuation down. Okay. Oh, look. Resistance. Oh, resistance. Oh, resistance. Strength. Retest. Go. Ooh, pretty good. Staying above. Overextended. Might short. Okay. You'll develop it. You'll know how to use it. As you could just put it on and watch price action. That's what I always suggest. Use your little rewind tool over here and watch price action. That's what's going to be the gravy. Mad love to every single one of you guys in here. Holy smokes, look at all the comments, man. How am I going to get through all this, man? Good morning to every single one of you guys in here. Mad love to you, Nick. Mad love to you, Jesse D. Gen X. What's going on, Crypto D. Gen? Hi, are you in a trade? Not right now. No. No trade. Since we just chilling, mind taking a look at checks. Checks is a cereal, isn't it? Good morning, Ninja Love. Shiver, what's going on, man? You chilly or what? What's going on? You must live in Canada. Shiver. Good to see you, man. Bro, Rico, good morning, Alex, and good morning to all the otters. Let's go. Crypto Mike, what's going on, man? Good morning. Himashu, Gala. I love when people just come in here and they're just like, never been here before, but Gala. You know, Gala. You mean the apple. That's a very delicious apple, man. I love a good old Royal Gala. It's beautiful. Vicky, good morning. Crypto Master. Oh shit, that's way too far, man. We identify as Lord Otter and King Beaver, but Crypto Master never. But thank you. You flatter me, Vicky. It must be the haircut today. It must. For sure, love the Pokemon game. Yeah, everybody did. I think I think, we got to catch them all, man. And that one kid with the game shark that we all wanted to rob. Oh, shit. Tell me what you really think, right? Okay, we're getting a little bit of momentum pushing up here. Double green dot into the news. We got 8 minutes, my friends. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Are we going long or are we going short? Put a 1 for a long. Put a 2 for a short. Put a 1 for the long. Put a 2 for the show. Good morning, Marco. Good morning, Slam Banjo. Near. Mad love, bro. Mad love to you, Amir G. Good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Looks like this is pushing. Are we going to get in on this? Oof. What are you guys saying? What are you guys saying? You guys putting 1 in the chat for long. You guys are saying to get long. Oof. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous. I love green candles, man. It's an addiction. Green candles are amazing. Seymour Liddy, what's going on? Let's fucking go, man. Creekside Patriot, North Carolina. Yeah, let's go, man. Nick, Jeffrey, Stone Cipher, Snipers, Nightmare in the chat. We need a sniper rifle in our emojis. Maybe we can get one going on. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Airdropper, Tony Soprano, French Toaster. Let's go. Melissa Suss. Good AM. Good morning. We have a Melissa here. Is this a Melissa squared? We definitely have an OG Melissa. Maybe you can be Melissa squared. Crypto Mike, Luke Zaldana with the Tony Sopranos, Crypto Ben. Let's go. Luke, my bruv. Chicken be laughing, man. No, don't, Alex. I'll see you after Christmas. Need a sniper one. Yes, we do need a sniper emoji. Absolutely. Look, I want to chase this candle so bad, man. I want to chase this thing. We got 6 minutes to chase this candle. 6 minutes, man. Let the kiddo pick the trade on Christmas. The kid has only taken one trade. He's 1 for 1. He made $1,500 on his first trade. I'm proud of the little man. I asked him long or short, and he went, whoo, and I pressed buy. He crushed it. That's the noise he makes right now. He goes, whoo. He has a couple good giggles, which is pretty cute. But his favorite word is whoo. That's his love language. It's whoo. That's what my son says. We can give our bosses the middle finger. Yes, we plan on doing so. Money is the key to be free. Time away from the grind is the way. Absolutely. Sticking with health. Okay, health is wealth. Yes, that's why I got into trading. My shoulder and my hands after being a carpenter working in the Canadian winters. Ooh, buddy, I tell you. Broken. John Woods, good morning. Slam Banjo. It's true, I feel exposed. Money will come. Money isn't the root of all evil, but definitely something money can't buy. Look at Steve Jobs, wealthy as hell, but couldn't take it with him. Absolutely. Money, please. Rocket Moon CPI in 12 minutes and 5 minutes. D-Oz. Mike, what's going on? Wild Deuces, Little Fish, good morning. Flabbergast, good morning to you. Gains for life, man. Mad love to you. Wick's wife, Fine 89. There she is. Mad love to you, Wick's wife. Slam Banjo, Trobius, good morning to you. Good to see you, CK. Okay, this is why we don't chase green candles, right? Right here. This is why this is just a lower high coming in right now. Right? We broke structure to the downside, right? So we got a high, a lower high mitigating the low here. Okay? Right? You guys see it? Right? We swept the lows. Could this be bullish divergence? Quite possibly. We could pop from here. Okay, but this right now, this is not where we go press buy. Okay? Just saying. Just saying, man. Just saying. We got 4 minutes left. Poor Crypto Steve, good morning. Chantel, good morning. Thanks for helping us every day. No, it's a pleasure to be here. Normally, I'm not here on Wednesdays, but guess what? You got me this week, okay? You got me this week. I don't think I'm here next week on Wednesday, but I'm here this week. 3 out of 4 weeks you get me on Wednesday, okay? Jeffrey, hello. Wick's wife, Big Nessward, good morning. Good morning. Gains for life, man. God bless, man. Good to see you. JB, H-bar update, exclamation marks. Let's go. Habarbarians. Let's go, man. Our only wish is to BTC to consolidate and become boring and let the damn altcoins to run. Yeah, I agree. Peter, good morning. I'm in a theta long. Great job, man. Great job. Make sure you pay yourself. Wick 589. Good morning to you. Everybody saying the long. Everybody's saying to long. I don't know, man. Matthias, Cash Oak, DGen X, Real Big. Good morning to you guys. Goldie Crypto. Good morning, D Oz. Buck, what's going on? Be the Panda. Are we going to long or short today? We'll have to see. The Professor. That guy's a good basketball player, man. Mad love to you. Mad love to you. Avram, good morning to you as well, Peter. All right, we're getting through it. We're getting through it. Cash Oak, Al Jr., gang. Mad love to you. Christmas discount incoming. Yeah, we're going to have that discount on the Discord if you do want to join. I will do that next week. Next week, we will do a discount on the Discord. So if you are wanting to get into our Discord, just wait. Just wait. I would suggest you wait. Right now, we're taking a breather. We had way too many people sign up for our last Black Friday sale. I need a break. I need a break. Okay, I can't handle inflows of people. Okay, it's and our mods. God bless you, mods. Thank you guys so much. My God, the scammers right now in the Discord. It's a plethora. It's like Sniper's Nightmare, Tony Soprano. I need to make Tony Soprano more of a mod. I don't think he has full mod powers. I think Tony Sopranos needs to be knighted. What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat, or put some Tony Sopranos in the chat if you think Tony Soprano needs to become a mod. Because I think he's overdue. I think he's been coasting. Okay, you've been coasting, bro. You always at moderators when you see the scam artists, but you don't kick them. If anything, you should be the one who feeds them to the pigs, right? There can only be one. Melissa Battle. Absolutely. Absolutely. Michael, good morning. Hey, team. Good to see you. Hey, Swiss Cheese is back. Let's go. Matthews played in Switzerland. Matthews had a sick goal last night, man. An amazing hockey game last night. All right, we got 2 minutes here. 1 minute. Refresh. Are we getting long? It's loading. We're going to have all these pop-ups, man. I hate the pop-ups. How's price going to react? Is it going to go to the moon? Do. Here we go. Going to the moon. It's going to the moon. It's coming in. Hot and ready. Oh, my God. Big wick to the upside. Pushing. 2.7 coming in where it wanted to be. My God. Look at the push-up. Don't buy this candle. Please don't. My God, look at this thing go. My God. Push Bitcoin. Do we get long? That is the question. Do we get long? Ooh-wee. I don't think so. Unless we see continuation here. Inflation coming in. Pretty even here. 2.7. Okay, strong. I don't know. Do we get in here? I don't know. It's stalling out. I don't like the stall out. This is a sweep of the highs coming into liquidity. Ooh-wee. I don't know. Are we going to get long here? You guys said to get long. Maybe I should have listened to you. Are we going to have follow through here? That is the question we need to all ask ourselves. Whew. Zooming in here. 0.3, 3.3. So everything came in as forecasted. So pretty, that's good news, obviously. If it's forecasted to be good, there you go, 2.7, 0.3, 3.3, and 0.3, okay? Good news nonetheless. Might take a stab here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Are you going to continue to push? Push it, Bitcoin. Let's see. Big wick energy. Coming in. My God. Will it come back down? Retest the highs. That would be the trade retesting in here. Oof. I don't know. No trade. No trade. I'll let it go. You guys were all right about the longs. Oh, man. I should have just listened to you guys. Right? You can go, the price is wrong, Alex. The price is wrong. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Are you guys FOMOing into this candle? Are you guys FOMOing in? FOMOing in. Tell me, put a 1 in the chat if you have FOMO'd into this candle somewhere in here. Let me know. Let me know. Who's FOMO right now? I am not in this trade. Who's FOMOing in? Come on, be honest with us here. Be honest. I want to know. I want to know who's the FOMO. Who's the FOMO? I smell a FOMO. I smell the FOMO. I smell it. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. We're here to be patient. Look at all this. I smell some bullshit. I FOMO'd out. Okay. I'm not in yet. Okay. Come on, I'm selling that theta along with this candle. Okay. Well, they're going to trap traders up here. They're trapping people, man. You see the hypnotic illusion here. This is a fib circle up top here, right? This is a fib circle. I'm in a good mood today. Can you tell? Look at this shit. You know the guy who created TradingView just made this to make fun of us, right? He's like, you don't know how to use this shit. Anybody use fib circles, man? I'll take a lesson in fib circles. I'll take a lesson. I could see how it could work. Maybe you go from swing high right here to swing low. But the problem is, where do you expand it? How do you expand it out? Like, how far can you go? As far as you want. We're coming up into the circular dimension of into the black hole spot. This is the black hole retracement level. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys are all on the you guys are all on the I knew you guys were using fib circles, man. I knew you guys were using. Oh, man. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Look at the pump we're getting, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin blasting off. I FOMO'd on Monday. Let's go, Lunar Beaches. Was already in. Kai. Good job. Luke Zaldana. I'm in at 98. Oh, good job, man. Well, make sure you pay yourself. Careful with this. Careful with this candle, man. This is a bullshit candle. Fair value gap being filled right now. Okay, we look left for confluence, right? So we're looking left. What are we doing? We're getting above the point of control of this range, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. We got a big area of resistance. Look at this. Okay, look at this area of resistance, okay? If you are tabernacle, this is resistance, okay? And look, lots of liquidity. Okay, liquidity. Lots of liquidity below us. So be careful here, please. Do not buy the top. Do not. That's why you come here. Because we say be patient. And you're like, fucking Alex, always telling me to be patient. Always telling me to be patient. But from yesterday's bottom, I'm jealous. I got stopped out. Pretty upset. Got some cheese. The Swiss cheese is in the chat, man. Joe Bell, not me. I've learned my lesson. Good job. We should have got long here. Okay, we should have got long here. I should have listened to you guys. Trade flies in the chat. What's going on, brother? Got to get that daily degen going, man. Trade fly. We need to knight you as a moderator. Mad love to you, brother. You got to give me a call, man. I haven't talked to you in a while. I miss you, bro. We got to arrange our golf plan for Bitcoin Las Vegas, baby. Let's go. Joe Bell, let's go. everybody in here. Make sure you say good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's make trade, Alex. Be the panda. There's no trade to be had right here, my friend. What we could be looking for is a retest of previous highs, okay? Where we can manage our risk below. And continuation up. We are hitting some resistance now. We do have a sell wall above us around 99.6, okay? And we do have some key areas that we are looking to. We'll see if we hold this as support, okay? We'll see. We'll see, but right now, the trade is retesting of previous highs. The VWAP's down below. Are we going to get rejected? That's a nice 1% move. Who's shorting this? Is anybody wanting to short this? I could short this. No short. Overextension. Flag out down to the previous lows here. Right around 98,400. 98,400. We'll see if we get it. I'll be looking here now first. First, I'll be looking here for continuation. Okay. So decent news. That's why we come on early so we can catch those 8:30 a.m. Chicanerous events, right? Chicanerous meaning using tricks to get what you want. That's chicanery. Okay. So looking at this, right? Okay. Remember, we're not going to get busy with it until here. Okay. There's our line in the sand. This is our line in the sand. So price is going to do something until our line in the sand. We understand this, right? Look at the retest coming back in here, wrecking all those longs. Retest coming back in here. Looking at 98,400. Gonna wreck them. 98.4. Let's go 350. 350. Gonna give us 350. Strength. Order block down here at 350. 350 coming in. Big Wreck-It Ralph. Might take a stab here. Coming in for the highs. Big candle. Big downwards candle. Big Wreck-It. No trade. No trade yet. Right here. Let's take a stab. Are we going to take a stab? Let's take a stab. Take a stab. Lots of liquidity below us. Big wick. We'll see. Might take a stab here. This looks risky. Taking a stab here. This looks risky. Okay. Let's take a little stab. We'll see. Protection below, a little bit lower here, 0.25%. We'll see if we get in. All right. We'll see if we get it. Trying to come back up above into the sell wall up in here. Let's see if we get it. We're in it to win it. We'll see. That was a quick liquidity grab. Good job for not getting long at the top there. Okay, we're up. We're up right now. This is volatile as F. Oof. Quick sweep. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Nice sweep of the lows, pushing back. Bulls trying to take control again. Push, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. Push. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get on that horse. Get on that horse. Okay, first take profit hit. First take profit hit. I'm going to move my stop loss up a little bit. Just a wee bit. Stop loss coming up to here. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We in it, baby. Let's go. 98.3. All right. Let's go. Take profit one hit. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Who loves this volatility? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Push it. Push it. Shout out if you're in the long. Put a 1 in the chat. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Push it, Bitcoin. Push it. That's why we didn't buy the top, right? That's why we didn't buy the top. Now we add. Yes. Good job. Good job, everybody. We're in the long. Good job, everybody. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Gang, gang. Gang, 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 gang. Whoever that was who came on who said, just trade and stop saying Otter Gang, gang, gang. Can we get some gang, gang, gangs in the chat for all the beautiful trades that we take on a Monday to Friday basis? We are 3 for 3 this week, baby. Let's go. 3 for 3. Crushing it. Can we see some gang, gang? I'm gonna make a gang, gang, gang emoji, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Board PC guy. Mad love to you, man. Good to see you, Nick H. Sign me up. Let's go. I got you, homie. I got you, bro. Anytime, man. Can you check Shibuzi, please? We too boozy. We too boozy making money to trade Shibuzi. Gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Brat, brat. RMT. Cass dropped out of the top 30. It's a good day, guys. Ottercoin is greater than Caspa. Ottercoin better than Caspa? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I might close this out. I don't know. I might close this out. Take a quick L. I like a quick L. Do you guys like a quick L and we'll look for another one? Yeah, I think so. This doesn't look too bullish anymore. This looks pretty ugly. This looks pretty ugly. Let's wait. Let's wait. Mad love to Retro Mike Tech, man. God bless you, bro. RMT, he's got his own emoji. Gang, 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 gang. You guys are killing me, man. You guys kill me. Come on, Bitcoin push, baby. Took my gains out. 93, 93, 99.3. Mad love to you guys, man. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We making money early today. We making some money early. I like early money. What do you guys think? Now we got to protect our money, right? We got to protect our money, honey. You know? Gang, gang, gang. Brandon Novo. I stayed out, said Little Fish. It's pretty volatile, right? It's pretty volatile. So, I mean, you take your money and run with anything like this, man. I'm out of the trade, says Airdropper. All right. I stayed out, says Little Fish. Let's get the Christmas discount on December 24th. When wifey wick emoji. So I think we have enough memberships to add some more, as you can see in here. So I think we can add some more emojis. I mean, or we can swap out Mark Dutch's clogs. I mean, the clogs are pretty iconic now. Nick Musgrave. So we need a sniper rifle. We need a gang. I took another profit, guys, in here. So I'm like 75% out already. I'll look to add if I want, but this is chaos, okay? Don't get rid of the clogs. Jeanette, good morning. Good morning. I'm out most of this too. Stop loss to entry. If it comes back and it hits it, whatever. We've already made $250, so quick little scalp. Keep it simple, stupid, right? Save the clogs. Let's go. Waiting for market open. Yeah, absolutely. Wooden Crocs. Luke Zaldana is out. Okay. Sitting through this isn't easy, okay? Like chaos, right? Complete chaos. Right? But remember, what did we do right here, right? That is the question. We waited. We didn't long here. Right? Right? We got long in here. We took profit here. We closed another bit here because we don't want to sit in the shit, right? We've rewarded ourselves for our bravery, if anything. It's not always easy to participate in these events, okay? It's not always a good thing, right? That's why this is never financial advice. You should always do your own research and manage your own money, okay? This is not, you know, this is up to you guys. We're using 44x leverage. Okay, leverage, I have to say this every stream. Leverage is a tool. You use leverage either to trade on multiple tokens. So you're using X amount of leverage to trade on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. You want to take 3 trades. You turn up your leverage in order to put the same amount of risk management margin onto those trades, okay? That's why you use leverage. You use leverage in order to use leverage. Let's say you're in on Bitcoin, but you want to go and trade Ethereum. You got to set up, you got your alert. You crank up the leverage over here so you free up capital so you can go and trade over here. That's the only time you're doing it. Okay? The other form of leverage is so that you can use leverage to keep less money on an exchange. For me, okay, I have a 100K account, okay, but I do not keep that on the exchange. I will keep 10K on the account and I will use leverage to supplement and borrow to turn this 10K so I can trade as if I have a 100K account, which I do, and which I can top up or top down depending on if my account's up. So I will take my profits. Let's say my account at the end of the week is at 12K. I'll take the 2K and I'll put it over here. And then I'll trade with 10K for the start of the week again. Okay, that's how I use it, and that's how I suggest you use it. But don't over leverage anything. Never be using leverage incorrectly. And that is to make your gains look bigger or whatever. You know, it's a swinging dick competition. That kind of stuff. Like that's not what we're here to do, right? We're here to use it properly. Okay? I should record that. Okay, stopped out. I just got stopped out. Trade is done. Okay, now we look for another one. Another one. DJ Khaled. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. This could break out right here. This could break out right here. We'll see how it goes, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We have 250 people in here. 100 likes. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. One successful trade. We are 3 for 3 this week. We were 4 for 5 last week and 4 for 4 the week before that. I mean, it's been an amazing past 3 weeks, guys. Like, great job. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. You use your wallet like a bank account. Exactly. It's called it's a top-up account. Some people call it a float account. Some people call it a lush account. But it's if you go down, let's say you take a couple losses and you're down to like 8K, right? You can take money from there and supplement back into here. Okay? The same way. Okay? For me, it's like you don't want to be, I'm not comfortable keeping that amount of money on an exchange. It's just not for me. I started trading on FTX, and you all know what happened there. Okay, so trying to do that and not having a panic about the exchange going down or whatever. It's it helps me sleep at night, which is very important. We should have an Otter golf tournament. I mean, I'm always down, man. I was playing some golf yesterday, smashing some 280-yard drives, pure power. This hobbit can play golf. I'm getting better. I shoot mid-80s. Like, I'm not like super good, but got that Coinbase card. 10K is inevitable. 10K is inevitable. Absolutely. What are the chances of BTC dumping 3 days in a row? That's probably low, man. Probably low. Robert, how's the reactor? Mad love to all of you guys. So you're 100K in cold wallet? Yes. I got taught by a scout in and out. Like a good boy scout. Mad love to every single one of you guys. I have a short limit at 99,350. Yeah. I don't know about that, bro. I don't know about that. That's totally up to you, brother. I don't know. Momentum's pretty strong right now. We can see that. For me, I would love for us to come back to 97. Let's call it 97,000 region, okay? Market does open in half an hour. I've drank my coffee way too fast, and I have to tinkle, but I'm holding it. I'm holding it for you guys. I really have to tinkle, though. It's not good to trade and have to tinkle at the same time. Money, money. Okay. You just want 120,000 BTC for Christmas. Okay. You don't need me to go live on Christmas. Good call. Thank you guys for giving me a day off. You heard it here. You guys said I can have Christmas off. You guys said it. 227 votes, man. 227 votes. You definitely should not have your stuff on exchanges. You should definitely get yourself one of these good old bad boys here. One of these things. Okay? You see this? This is called a cold storage, okay? Look, I have a picture of me and my son on it. The new Ledger Flex. Okay? Get one of these. The new Ledger Flex is actually quite nice. I like it. Get yourself one of those. Okay? It's going to be an important investment. I have a bunch of them. So Trezor, Ledger. I haven't used Tangent Wallet yet, so maybe that's the next one, but okay, we're breaking out of this little symmetrical triangle right now. Bull div. I don't like this. No trade yet. No trade. What I want to see after this chaos, I would love for us to come down to VWAP. Sweep this low. Come down in here. Reaction, get long. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, just something I would like to see. Right, that would be my trap. That would be where I would love to trade. We'll see if we get it, okay? But for now, chaos. To me right now, this is building up shorts, okay? This is, from what I see, from this to me looks like market maker is getting everybody excited. They're hypnotizing you. And they're probably going to SFP this high, like this. Whoop. Okay? Bearish diversion, back down into here. That's my guess. If I had to guess what was going to happen. If I had my crystal ball out, you know? My crystal ball sometimes works pretty good. I don't know how bullish I am on this haircut, man. I think I got a little bit too scalped, but it hides my grays, you know? It hides the grays. What haircut do you want? He says. And I go, hide the grays. That's what he gave me. We have volume decreasing right now, so absorption up into the highs. We have market open over here, so a little bit of patience right now is going to help. What does bullish diversion mean? So Joe Bell, would love for you to come over and hang out in our Discord. Join the Discord. Okay, you don't need to pay for the membership yet. Come in here. Okay, and you can see we got a lot of Scheisenhauser over here. Okay, go all the way to the bottom and go to resources. All right, we got books. Okay, we got free books. Trading in the Zone, Mental Game of Trading. Free books. Go and read some of those. Come in here, and there's things on VWAP, diversions. There's so many tools in here. You will find the plethora of help. Okay, and just going through and learn some of this. We got Bollinger Bands, candlestick patterns. Okay, look at Tony Soprano. He's gathered all these things for you. Okay, amazing group of traders, right? An amazing group. How to pull fibs. Okay, look at this. Market Cipher. Market Cipher. I mean, it's all here, guys. You want to learn, invest in yourself. Okay? Okay? Invest in yourself. A diversion is when price is doing something and the oscillator or the other tool that you're using is doing the opposite. So if price is going up, momentum's coming down, right? This is coming down. Diversion. Okay? It's just an opposite reaction, right? You can see them in here. Right? This one even prints them for you if you really need to see them. But they're typically strengths. So if something's coming up like this and then it pushes up really quickly, you can typically get a diversion and then it comes back down. Okay? They're very good reversal signals. At key areas, even better. Trying to push up here, Bitcoin. You guys are so funny. One trade pays all. Let's go, Robert Jones. Mad love to you, bro. Lunar Beaches, crypto. XRP will hit 10K before BTC. Best Discord out there. In Asia, we look at it like you are Gandalf, the gray wizard level. Yeah. Hide the grays, distinguished, right? No bullshit. I joined the Discord and it's nice and positive. Their load of genuine direction. There you go, right? We're built on kindness, right? We don't care what level you're at. If you want to join the paid version, we just want to help you succeed, right? And that's it. You get 4 traders all trying to help you, all setups. The setups, if you just took the setups, will pay for your membership over and over again, okay? As long as you manage your risk. You know, even Brewberry called the short, right? I mean, like, if you pay attention, you set your alerts, the scalps, the trades, I mean, it's all there. It's all there. Here's that swing failure up at the top that we were talking about. Okay, look at this. My crystal ball is working so far. So far. And maybe we got out of that trade a bit early. Whatever. Right? Whatever. It's like you're playing with fire in this shit. Right? So that's fine. Pushing up. Everybody buying this. Buy, 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 buy. And buy, 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 buy. Now you get the rejection. Here comes the rejection. Will we get it? Will we get it? 3-minute time frames more appealing here. So you can see look at that. Oof. That's ugly, man. That is a swing of the highs, and we'll see if it does continue, okay? We do have a support level here trying to hold. Okay? Trying to hold here. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it, baby. Let's go. Mad love to every one of you guys in here. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We got 260 people in here, 116 likes. We're here live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Subscribe if you are new. Would love for you to subscribe. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. I never thought I would say that. I love saying that. 4,779. Who's going to be 4,780? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. And we hit 400 members. See, I changed the members so that we could add more emojis for you guys, okay? Because I'm not here to make money off of YouTube. I don't give a shit about the YouTube money. I care about you guys. Okay, if you do want to support the channel, come over and get the Discord. That's where the value is. It's not in being Let me know who's 4,780. Mad love to all of you guys. XRP best Discord. Join us. Mad love. Join the Discord. Alexandra G. I haven't got the resources. Otherwise, I already joined. Jesse, save some of those super chats then, man. You're a super chatting machine, Jesse. I would love for you to come over and hang out. Mad love to you, Jesse. Mad love, Scott, Al Jr., Joe Bell. Lunar Beaches, crypto. What was your target of the rejection? So if we do reject, I'm looking for us to come down into VWAP 97,200. We'll see. This isn't convincing me yet. We do have market open coming up, so we wait. Volume decreasing as prices increasing, which is a divergence, right? So we see if we get some absorption up at these highs, and we identify that this is a key level of resistance, right? You can see the volume coming in here on the higher term timeframes, but you can see the amount of touches you got within this area, okay? So you can see that here, okay? So this is going to be a little tricky one to get above and trade above, okay? So, and when we're overextended, like we are right now, right? Overextension, meaning we have put in higher lows and higher highs, but this last bit in here, right? You can see constructive price action here, and then we push up and it's up only, right? There's no retrace back into this general region. So therefore, a good assumption is that we come back into here before we head up. Okay, before we head up, we'll see if we get it. Okay, right now we're reacting on news data. So this is news driven, data driven price action, which is liquidity created down here. I wouldn't be surprised if it wrecked everybody getting long here, right? That's why we're not. We got into the long here. We could have held it. Not for me, because it's too much risk to not assume that we will come down lower, okay? Doesn't mean we are, but in my opinion, it's too much risk to be putting on to get swept, okay? Nice price action, though, continuing to push here. We'll see if we do get that continuation. I really need to pee, so I'm going to go and have a quick little pee. You guys can wait for me, okay? I know you guys can wait. And then I'll even play you guys music if you want. I'll play you guys music. I mean, it shouldn't take me the whole song to pee, so you guys can wait. But I'll even play the Otter Gang song for you guys. There you go. I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco.
I washed my hands too. Okay.
Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low.
You guys are all too excited, man, with your trigger fingers FOMOing in at the top. Is anyone still in the long? Let me know if you're in the long.
Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto.
Let's go. TA on Doge Lawn Mars? I did, Juan. I did. Have a good one, Jesse. Mad love to you, bro. Thank you for being here. Robert Jones, sir, I don't think you too much teaching. I see you smashing trades. You guys got to be kind, man. Please be kind. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see what goes on here. Double toppy breaking down here. Whoo-wee. Careful with those longs, friends. If you still are in them, you might want to think about closing them. If you are new here, thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. We're almost at 4,800 subscribers. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, we'd love to have you. We're here live trading every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We might even go long today. I'm in a good mood. Are you guys in a good mood? I'm in a good mood today. So I might. The wife just went out with the kid. They got to go and do some. I'm free. I don't have to do any babysitting. I'm here to trade. It's going to be a very heavy trading day today. Mad love to you guys. Alexandra, girl, you get around. Are you a time traveler? Secretly. Mad love to all of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. God bless you guys. God bless you guys. Robert Jones is an absolute legend. RJ, man, in the Discord. Exodus, what's going on, man? Can you show quickly on what time frame do you pull your volume base level? So I do have a volume video on how I get my levels here. I also match them up with key levels of support and resistance. Okay, so that's going to be critical. Is that you need to see candle closes alongside with these levels, okay? If you're going to use them. And you can see here that you have very good respect. It even called the low yesterday. I was just a little bit, I was early yesterday on the low. See, fixed range volume profile, turn that thing to 200, okay? First thing you do, change the colors, whatever you want. Turn this to 200. Okay, you can change all your pretty colors here so it looks however you want it to. Okay. Then you're going to expand this out so you can really see it. Okay. And use those significant levels to mark out on your chart. Giving you good confluence. As you can see right now, we have good confluence in here. Right? Look at the support. Look at the support. Okay. Good confluence. We want confluence. Look at the dump we're getting now. Should have shorted. 911. Somebody call 911. Coming back for all those leverage longs in here, in my opinion. This is the meat and potatoes down here. We'd love to see VWAP come up into here. A little rollover. We'll see if we get it. Careful with those longs, friends. Thank you so much for being here, every single one of you guys. Is the music still playing? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Bada bang. It's the Otter Gang, gang. Just a newbie. RJ, you're good, man. Honestly, Alex is the best channel for TA, in my opinion. I absolutely love the way you teach. I've also made more money here than any other channel. That's awesome, man. I try my best to just be practical. I don't think I do anything special. It's just like, if this, then this, right? Why am I going to participate up here? Where am I? First and foremost, where am I going to put my stop loss, right? Like, that's a big ass stop loss. Invalidation, right? Liquidity coming in here, right? So where do we think price can go? Understanding that we have resistance in here, okay? This can make a higher low right now, absolutely. But if we mitigate this low in here, we're definitely coming down. We're definitely coming down. There's no doubt. There's no doubt, right? You can zoom in onto your 30-second time frame if you want, right? That would be a break of structure to the downside. Very short-term time frames, okay? Break of structure, you look for the retest and the continuation down. Okay? If we close below this low here, I would stay on a 5-minute time frame, preferably, because it can still stay irrational on the way up. Volume coming in on the news, liquidity down here. Okay? VWAP coming in down here, significant lows down in here. So this is like, if you zoom out, this is an order block, right? So if you zoom out in here and you look at this, this is where institutional money comes to play, right? So whenever there's choppiness, right, in price action, like this, okay, why did this come down into here, right? Ask yourself that question, okay? So you can go, if you're looking to long in here and you didn't have any of this price action over here, you can say that, hey, there's an order block right here. You can see how price stalled out right here. So you can go from high to low, and you can mark out that order block. So you're interested in this area. You could also pull swing low to swing high in here. And you can say that this is an aggressive 382 bounce, 0.5 bounce as well. Okay? You can say that, hey, there's a significant volume level of support in here. Looking left, confluence, right? Confluence, this is going to be an area of interest. So you have 3 things pointing in that direction for you to get long here, right? Stop loss right below in here. Good to go, right? Very cheap, very easy trade, right? And that's what we always want to do. We want to set the trap constantly. Okay, the trap right now is here. We said that from the beginning of the stream. The trap is here. We got VWAP coming in. We have this momentum here is, in my opinion, is not sustainable. Look at this. This is an order block, right? This is liquidity down in here, okay? And there is no significant retracement in this general area. So we should be looking for this for that continuation trade. We could also be looking for topping out up here, which we didn't take, but we could have, in order to wreck. Look at the battle over this low, right? Right now. Big battle over the low. No trade. No trade. We wait, right? We wait. There's nothing here that like saying, hey man, press buy. Hey man, press short. The short was up here, like we said, with our magic crystal ball, right? Pushing up, sweeping the highs, right? This was giving these guys who got long in here, giving them a last chance to close their trade. Now they're like, shit, man, I should have closed it. Those people, you know those people. And they're praying for this thing to come back up. They're praying. And then it'll get here and they won't close their trade. They'll hold it and then they'll take the loss, right? We know those people because we were those people. We used to be those people. CPI is out, RS Miller, and it was even across the board. So everything they predicted was what happened, okay? Everything they predicted is what happened. All Xmas shopping finished now. Also ordered my Xmas cigars. Okay. What did you get me, Sniper's Nightmare? I want a Christmas present. You just buying yourself. I can imagine Sniper's Nightmare. He's got a Christmas tree, but it's all fishing lures. Mad love to you. Yeah, RS Miller is all even across the board. We were watching it this morning as it came in. We got the pump and Even across the board. Fake numbers, baby. Let's go. Right? Fake numbers. There's a break of structure now, rolling over. Break of structure, rolling over. Now we can look for the short up in here. Okay? It's a much, instead of trying to catch the top, which we do a lot, right? Now we can look for the short up in here. $98, $640. $98, $640-ish, yeah. Want to be able to protect myself above here, though, in case we come back for a triple top. We'll see. No trade yet. No trade yet. For sure used to be those people. Absolutely. Absolutely. Right? It's if you got to have been there where you're praying and hoping for it to go one direction, and you should have just been listening to the music band and not trading. Got to break that trading cherry. Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, you got to go through those emotional turmoil where you're wishing it goes one way, but you know it's not gonna, but you know it's gonna, but it's not gonna, and then you're looking for your own interpretation. So you're like, oh man, but there's a green dot here. Oh man, there's a bullish divergence here. Oh man, this is gonna play out. Oh man, the daily's bullish, and you're trading on the 5-minute, right? It's it's a process, right? It's a process. But you got to be able to recognize that and adjust, okay? I think that's the difference between going to profitable quicker than rather than slower, is that you understand where you're wrong and you make that adjustment to fix that mistake, okay? Because it is a mistake. And that's why trading is beautiful, because there's always something you can do better. Okay, look, we got the entry down in here, right? We could have held that to the high. Okay, we could have held that to the high, not taken profits, right? Held that to the high, taken full profits up here. That would have been a perfect trade. Okay, but what if this thing goes up to the moon? Well, then I would have been different. It would have been different, right? So there's always something more you can do with a trade, no matter what, right? So always evaluating every time you put on risk what you could have done better, what your intentions were going into the trade, what you were looking for on your oscillators. And those are going to help you, be better. So all we want to do is get a little bit better every day. I'm not perfect at it. It's just I want to help you guys get good too. That's what it's all about. So nice bottoming structure here, right? This is strength in my opinion. So you can see here we got a bit of volume in here. There's no trade for the short. I see strength in here. Why? Remember I said 5-minute candle close below this level didn't happen. Therefore, this looks like continuation. Okay? Continuation, bottoming structure, pushing to the upside. Continuation, bottoming structure, pushing to the upside. Right? The short's still valid. Like, yeah, retesting the lows right now. Could short targeting, the lows of the VWAP in here. Still valid trade. Just for me, not for me. Right? Not because of this. I'm not looking to short here. Because of this. Bullish environment, uptrend. You know the rest of the story, right? I keep getting a frog in my throat. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. We got a whole bunch of people in here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. It's getting too relatable. Yeah. Relatable, debatable. Everybody knows how it feels to be overexposed. Okay, here's why we didn't get short, right? We said 640. We would have been underwater right now, right? Underwater. Triple top coming in. We'll see. We got 7 minutes till market opens. Let's take a look around the market. Let's take a quick peek. S&P bottoming structure, lower lows, looking for strengths. Remember we said coming down to the $6,000 level, okay? Holding on for dear life here. We'll see if that plays out. So we want to see it hold and push up this morning. Let's go over and look at the Dixie. Dixie's showing strength. We want to see this thing die, okay? S&P, okay? NASDAQ. Whoo-wee. NASDAQ's ripping. This is bullish. This is bullish AF for our risk on, right? For our risk on. Very, very nice. Up 0.5% on NASDAQ. So strength here. Suggesting strength over here. Okay? So 2-for-1 deal. 2-for-1 deal. We wait, though. We wait. Right now, we're developing a bit of a flag. Horrible magnet job here. All right. Coming up to the highs. Ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. No trade. We took the one trade. So far, so good. We'll see if we get another one. See if we get another one. Market open soon. 5 minutes, guys and gals. NASDAQ. That's the kicker. We should have checked this earlier. That's the kicker. So that would give me confirmation to the upside. Just bias, right? Bias coming in. Dixie here. Head and shoulders coming down, pushing up. Aggressive trend here. So for the dollar, we want to see it lose strength, right? But clearly showing doesn't want to stop. Doesn't want to stop. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We've already taken a trade this morning. My God, I got to clean my... All right. We're back. We'll see if this pushes up. We got the analysis paralysis charts on here. Mad love to you guys. Thank you for being here. Bitcoin trying to break out. Teasing everybody. Here's our third time's the charm, retesting the highs. Third time's the charm, triple top. Let's be cautious here. Triple top into market open. My God. Talk about scandalous, baby. Talk about scandalous. Oh, man. No trade so far on this. We've already taken the scary long. Now we wait. I have a question. In the 4-hour on 9th of December, we didn't sweep the previous high liquidity. So why it dumped? Oh, okay. Never mind then. Okay. What's your average time in trades? We're pretty in and out. Pretty quick. So scalping on the 3 minute. So hopefully We can help you on your. We trade all time frames. Honestly, we swing trade as well. We trade altcoins. We do all that stuff as well. It's just on this show we trade Bitcoin live, where we get to, talk about structure, talk about trading psychology, key areas, market manipulation. We get to talk about what whales are doing. We don't want to trade like retail. We get to work together to try and solve this complex puzzle every single day, which is always fun. But we trade everything. But mostly during this show, we will trade. So we're looking to capture every day. We're looking to capture this. This is the plan. This is my execution plan. Okay, I want to risk 0.3. Okay, to gain 1%. That is the goal. Something like this every day to capture this within the market. There would have been here this morning. Would have been here. Okay. I want to capture this both ways too. We like it. We like doing it both ways. Okay. Oh, you guys are gonna make rude comments, but we want to capture this within the day as many times as possible. Okay. And that's kind of how I've built my strategy. So hopefully we can help you capture our 1% a day, keep the doctor away, right? We did it yesterday quite successfully. We did it the day before quite successfully. Okay, retesting back down here. Strength as well, right? We saw strengths. We got market open in 50 seconds here. See the Dixies pushing the NASDAQ coming in hot. Some resistance here. Some resistance here. NASDAQ pushing aggressively, though. We'll see how the S&P opens this morning. We'll see how we open. We want to see a gap down. I want to see a gap down and a push up. That's what I want to see. Gap down, push up. We'll see if we get it. We got 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Gap up. Nope. Where are we? Oh my God. Massive gap up. Massive gap up. Holy Scheisenhausen. Holy Scheisenhausen. This typically will come back and fill. Fill. Then continue. We'll see. Okay, market is open. NASDAQ on an absolute tear to the upside. Okay, S&P opening up very bullishly. Looking for a continuation push here. Bitcoin in this symmetrical triangle or ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. I didn't go to geometry class that often. Okay, looking for a continuation here. Will we get it? This would be more ideal. 97,800. We'll see if we get it. Looking for the breakout continuation. No trade as of yet. Come on, Bitcoin. Do something, baby. We got, this is bearish looking here on Market Cipher rolling over here. 15-minute toppy. Okay, toppy here on 15-minute. Rollover as well. 24, same thing. Okay. The 1 hour. Trying to push up. Trying to continue. Okay, rounding up at the top here. Money crossing over, though. Okay, money crossing over. A good sign nonetheless. Trying to break out here. Let's see if it does get it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Subscribing to the channel. If you're new here, we're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Crushing the trades. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. If you do want to take your trading further, wait till next week. But join the Discord. Okay, join the Discord. Lots of free stuff there. But next week, we will have a Christmas sale going on till New Year. We'll do it 25% off or something like that, just so everybody can get in. Ho, ho, hold the savings events, all those good things. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang coming back down, down, down. Everybody buying the top right now. We're not those people. We are not these people. I will yell at you and tell you to practice good risk management. Please, please, please. Can you please show your strategy again? Risk management. Risking 0.3 to make 1%, my friend. You can rewind the video and play it on 0.02 or whatever, if that helps. Okay, coming down to the bottom of the triangle, bouncing back up, trying to push. Trying to push. Trying to push. Oh, no trade. S&P ripping. S&P ripping. Dixie. Flat. NASDAQ. Rolling over. Rolling over. I'd expect NASDAQ to come back into here. Minimum. Bitcoin's struggling right now. Trying to figure it out. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. We got 270 people. God bless every single one of you guys. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys are smashing those like buttons, subscribing to the channel. If you are new, you got 140 likes. I think we could do a little bit better than that. If you are new here, thank you for being here. You guys are incredible. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. I don't see enough good mornings. Good fishing here in Newfoundland. Nothing like caught at cold Atlantic. That's the one. That's the one. Them fishing boats, man, and the Newfoundlanders. We love them. Thank you for feeding all of our inner city selves. Look at the push we're getting here on Bitcoin. Trying to pop. Trying to pop. Trying to pop. Retesting the highs again. Retesting. Trying to pop. Trying to pop. Will it pop? Will it pop? Lock and drop it. Look like it wants to go. Set it free, Bitcoin. Set it free. Set it free, man. Don't be buying the top, guys. Don't be buying the top, please. Please don't be buying the top. Could be looking to get long here. My God, this is risky. Coming up into this rejection zone up here. We could get another SFP up high here. Oof, this is risky. I'm not long in this. We can get this. We could get this. Or we could get Valhalla up into the stratosphere. Whatever sphere that is. The 99,000, but Jay-Z's got one, He's got 100 problems now, Jay-Z. Jay-Z's got 100 problems. He's got to make a new album. Jay-Z, 100 problems. And Diddy is one. We got Liquid Diddy up here. Liquid Diddy, watch out. Okay, breaking out. Trying to break out. Strength. This is where it either gets rejected hard or blasts off. You got one or the other here. This is not where you buy the trade. This is where you wait. Let's zoom in a little bit more for you D-gens on the 1 minute here. We're on the 1 minute here looking for the retest back in. Will we get the retest back in? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hanging out with Alex O Crypto. Smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. And join us in the Discord. But wait for the sale. We might as well just put the sale on. We might as well put the sale on. I will put the sale on for the holidays. The holiday sale, we'll call it. For the next 3 weeks or whatever. Yeah, we'll do the holiday sale. I'd rather you spend your money on your children's Christmas presents, okay? I'd rather you do that. Please. Why never letting a 25% trend continuation? Oh, you guys are talking about fishing. More detail about the trading strategy. There's a couple videos, Thierry, on on my my strategy on the channel that you can watch, where I go into more detail. Happy new market open. Let's go. Let's go. Trying to push, man. Trying to push here. NASDAQ, same thing. Trying to push up here. The SPY, trying to catch up right now. Okay, big gap, though. Big gap. Concerning. Bitcoin trying to get out. No trade. The no trade clause, okay? Juan Soto. You see that baseball player he signed for $740 million. What the fuck? What the fuck? For hitting a damn baseball, man. He's really good at hitting the baseball. He hits it 3 out of 10 times. Fucking hell. He hits it 3 out of 10 times. He's really good, man. 740 million or something crazy like that. Crazy. Which indicator is best for you? I love Market Cipher. That is my go-to indicator. That is the go-to indicator. Price action's king, though, man. You can have a fancy little pretty thing down below here. Okay? This is for the people, man. This is for the people. But for me, this shit in here, this is where it's at, man. This is the good stuff. If you learn how to read this stuff, whoo, baby. Ooh, baby. It's yummy. A little bit of a retest in here. Nothing I like. I don't like this. I do not like this retest. Indecision. Toppy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Coming back in. Coming back in. I don't like it. I don't like it. So we've mitigated the high up in here. So if we go horizontally here, we've mitigated that high. Meaning we've grabbed the liquidity out of these highs. So therefore, then we have to come down and break this triangle. So we'd have to come down, break the triangle, and come this way for this to be bearish. Toppy here. Lower lows throughout. Higher high, right? We got our bearish divergence coming in here. Okay, so be aware of that. This is 1 minute time frame. We can go on a 3 minute. I prefer the 3 minute for confirmation. We wait. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. Thank you guys for being here. 270 people in here. We've already taken one long. No trade yet. No trade yet. We're waiting. Thank you guys for being here. Smashing those like. Turn on the 5 second. Baseball players are way overpaid. Absolutely. My cousin is one retired. Awesome, man. He must have had a good arm. Is this a bull flag? Gonna pump 60%? We'll see. Good morning, main user. Good to see you, Mickey. If we pump now, otherwise 98,200. Absolutely. Absolutely. Looking for the push. Will we get it? Will we get the push that we so desire? Trying. It's trying. It's trying. People are buying this, man. That's the concern, is that people are buying this right now. They're buy. And guess what's going to happen to them if grandma decides to sell her Bitcoin? Very easy. This is called FOMO in at the top, baby. If you want to FOMO in at the top, you can go right ahead. You can go right ahead. Mad love to all of you guys. Did you win on your previous long? Absolutely. We longed on the wick down here. We got long here. We closed it out up here. Okay. Very good trade. We got long yesterday. On the perfect VWAP retest. We have 4 for 4, 5 or 4 for 5, and 3 for 4 or 3 for 3 today. So We're winning, baby. We're winning. We're winning. Happy with the results so far. We'll see if we can continue these beautiful results. Thank you for being here. I appreciate having you. Amazing, amazing group of people here. Brewberry going to be going live soon. Stream will be a bit late. Brewberry, what is he looking for? 97,700. Order block down below. Order block down below. Looking for the same. See? Very similar. Very similar. No, I have not done a video on the chart prime building strategy tool. I have not done that yet. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Lots of videos to do and not enough time, baby. Okay, rolling over here. NASDAQ. Indecision. Trying to push. Everything's trying to push right now. Trying to push here. Maybe if we come back down here, 98.5, you could be potentially looking for a long. If we come back down in here. Targeting all the way up to 99,500. Potentially. This still looks like it wants to cool off. Come on, Bitcoin. Either you're pushing or you're not, man. Make up your mind. Look at this. This is ugly. This is ugly. This is not something I'm looking to trade. Why do we want to get involved in this? How long do you want to sit through this? 9:30 to where we are now. We got 15 minutes that just chilling in here. Nothing for me. Nothing for me. Just waiting. How about all you Ethereum maxis going to the moon? Oh, man. Okay, it's trying here. Third attempt. 1, 2, 3. Is it going to go? Is it going to go? We can bring this up even higher now. My God. Come on, Bitcoin. Do something. Do something, man. You're making me bored. Everybody's sitting on their edge. Hopefully you guys are still long from the long this morning down in here. Let me know in the chat if you are long. Make sure you are saying good morning. I would love to say good morning to you. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. Let me know if you're long. Fikrin, good morning. Mickey, good morning. Jesse, good morning. He's back, man. Hype for East. Let's go. Trying to push up. Trying to push up right now. CF in an East trade. Let's go, CF. Droopily. This is not breaking out, unfortunately. Okay, we'll see, man. We'll see. That's why we're here, to hang out with you guys. Hopefully we can see if it does break, if it does want to continue. This, to me, is a big old tease. A tease at the top. A tease at the top. We'll see if it is the top. A small cup and handle. Look, it's trying to go, baby. It's trying to go. Wherever it stops, nobody knows. It's trying to go. It's trying to go, man. This, to me, looks like a short. Overextended. Curving over here on the 1 hour, 30 minute. A little bit toppy. $15-minute, pretty bullish. It's this, the 2 hour VWAP crossover, the 3 hour trigger wave to the downside, the 4 hour double bottom. We just missed that. I'm still upset about that. Would have made a lot of money on that trade. Trigger wave here on the 12 hour. That's pretty sexy, to be honest. It's pretty sexy. Trying to push here, Bitcoin. Trying to push. Let's go. Bitcoin trying to break out here. Will it continue? Let's go, Bitcoin. NASDAQ pushing, baby. NASDAQ's pushing. Continuation on the NASDAQ, S&P, same thing. Same thing on the S&P, trying to push here. Coming up, putting in a top. We're not buying this. That's for damn sure. Shout out to those who are in the long. Congratulations on your money. Mad love to all of you guys. $93.3 play out. We'll see. Ford PC guy. Look at the big push we just got there. Big push we just got there. Trying to go, Bitcoin. Trying to go. Support and resistance flip. Running away. Running away. Coming into our order block above us here. Is this the Bitcoin God candle that we've all been dreaming of? Big volume coming in here on this candle. Getting above that resistance, right? No trade yet. No trade yet. Quite toppy right here. Double top. People buying into this thing. No trade yet. Just waiting. Trading is waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 283 people in here. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and being here, hanging out with me. You could be on all those other open mouth thumbnail channels, but you're here with me. And I didn't even have to open my mouth on my thumbnail. I appreciate you not making me violate myself. Crossing that 200. Crossing that 200, pushing up. Strength here in Bitcoin. Big order block up in here. Big old cheesy order block. $97. That would be ideal. Coming into here would be ideal. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Let's extend this out a little bit here. Nice move for Bitcoin, trying to push up here. Those who got long, congratulations. You're doing good. You're doing good. Coming up into some resistance here at 99.5. Good morning from Germany. Dankeschön. Long all the way, brah. Let's go. Let's go to all you longs. Mad love to you guys. Even CryptoFace has a video now. We are all here. Let's go. Let's go, man. Gains, gains, gains. I love gains, man. Awesome. I think that Hawk Tua token put people off open mouth thumbnails. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. We all be buying the Hawk Tua. That's my swing thought when I'm playing golf. Like, it's like, Hawk Tua. And I hit it, you know? Every time. Swing thought. Hawk Tua. Try it. Don't violate this to yourself. Andrea with the $20 super chat. God bless you, Andrea. God bless you. Thank you so much for the super chat. Make sure you guys are not violating yourself with the open mouth thumbnails, okay? We used to do that back in the day. We used to violate our dignity with the open mouth thumbnails. Not today. Not today. Not today. Thank you so much, Andy. Andrea, mad love to you. Thank you for supporting the channel. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Timing. Yeah, it's all about timing. It is true. Time is the hardest thing to do in the trading world. Okay, it does look like we are getting a little bit of a rejection here. Nothing significant yet. Okay, this still looks like continuation to me. Probably getting up to here. First level of resistance, 99.5. Congratulations, guys, on your long trade. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Who's in the long? Jesse's in the long. Let's go. Good stuff. Subbed. Melvin Moore. Mad respect for all you guys. Thank you, Andrea. I appreciate it. Being at a Walmart Black Friday sale, my chart is full. Let's go. Gains. Let's go. I love that you guys are crushing it, man. Gang. Good stuff. Subbed. Thank you for being here. Mad love. Thank you for the sub. Thank you for showing up. Let me know if you're new here. Would love to shout you out. 4,793. Can we get to 4,800 today? Hip, hip, hooray. Thank you guys for being here. This is incredible, man. I remember when I streamed to Tony Soprano and Sniper's Nightmare and my grandma. And now you guys are all here hanging out with me. So thank you. And thank you for putting up with me for being really bad for very long. Sniper's Nightmare and Tony Soprano. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just trying to help, man. That's it. Just trying to help every day. That is my intention always. Trying to help you guys create a life of financial freedom like I have for myself. And hopefully we can do that together. Okay, hopefully we can do that. God bless you, Dave Digital. Thank you for being here. We love the show, bro. Oh, thanks, man. It was I used to do the altcoin list, the Bitcoin breakdown. I mean, anybody can do that, man. I'm sorry, but you put on Mark Dutch, give him a pair of clogs and a cowboy hat, and you tell him to do some top-down analysis on Bitcoin and look at your favorite altcoins. I'm sure he could do it. Mark Dutch is talented. We all know that. But, okay, the weekly is going to play out in a week. And we can see that the weekly here is going to go red dot, okay? And money flow is curving and coming out, okay? The weekly is telling us that we're going down. But what is price doing right now? It's pumping. And then we go to our 3-day, which is going to print in 2 days and 10 hours. So we got a little bit of time left here, and we could possibly look for, doing the predictive analysis over by here. We could definitely have a descending slope into our vertical line here, coming in precisely at January. Our 3-day should print. January 16th will be our bullish day, where we should look for a reversal to the upside. And then zooming in on our 4-hour here, we can see that we are very overextended here, and we are rolling over. What's happening? Rolling over. Rolling. Okay, and there's your TA for the day. Keep the doctor away. All right, coming back in here. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. So this is a retest back into this wick here. Okay, I would like to see lower. Coming in. Okay, we got a high to come and touch over here. We'll see if we do touch it. We always like touching a high. Okay, we'll see if we do come back into this area here. We do have aggressive continuation. A little bit of toppiness here. Cautious. Overextension. Patience will prevail. Mark Dutch and just clogs, right? Pole dancing on clogs. Let's go, Mark Dutch. Taking profit, says Paul Caruso. Nice. Always pay yourself. Well. Al Jr. is trying to make the calls. Let's go, Al Jr. Mad love to you. Let's go. CME always got one fake move. Always. Always. Utter gang have made me crazy money this year. Love y'all. Love you too, Al Jr. Thank you for being here, brother. The energy is crazy in here. You guys are all amazing, man. The show is great, but the quality of the Discord is gold. So happy I found all of you that are here every day. I fucking love this gang. There it is. There it is. There it is. Thank you, Massey, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being part of the crew, man. We love having you too, brother. Let's go. All right, so the retest back in here. Strengths, man. Strengths. Continuation. Strengths and continuation. Coming into our level of resistance as we speak right now. Okay? No FOMO, guys. A little bit overextended. 3-minute time frame. Okay, we got volume coming in on this candle and then a little bit of a decrease and then more volume coming in on this one right now. Sweeping the highs up top here into our order block that is above us. We have a big order block, big liquidity zone above us here, okay? Fair value gap, yada, yada, yada. If we check over here, we look to the left. There's our big old mitigation up in here. We're coming in touching this area here. Now we are pretty much have confirmed a flip of support and resistance here, which is good. Okay? Getting into this level here, 99, let's call it 99,150. Very strong move. Okay, if we're isolating price, we could do that very clearly here, just coming over and isolating this. We're getting into this region. So you can see here, we've flipped this 99,150 right here, coming up into the point of control right now, hitting that of the local range. So we're looking to hit the POC, maybe get a little retracement back in, and then continuation upwards, okay? Looking pretty strong right now on the Bitcoin price action, looking strong on the S&P, looking strong on the NASDAQ after this inflation data. Okay, so we'll see if it does want to continue here. We'll have to wait and see. Coming into that resistance point of control of the local range. So just let's see if we do, come back into here. Looking strong, though, on Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 260 people here. 170 likes. Amazing. Thank you guys for subscribing. Well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. The goal was 5,000 subscribers by January. We're getting there. We're almost at 4,800. If you do want to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. We'll see if we get up there. Look at this push. Nice push here for Bitcoin. What goes up comes down, though. Let's be patient here. Patience will prevail. Should have held that long. They should have held that long. We took this morning. Oh, well, we paid ourselves. That's the important thing. 260 people here, man. That's incredible. I got a haircut for you guys. I was looking a bit old yesterday. 100,700 incoming, says Mark Dutch. Always take profits. I'll stop super chatting. There you go, Jesse. Stop super chatting and get a membership, man. Take your trading further, man. Then you have all the super chat money you ever wanted, man. You don't need to super chat, man. It's okay. I'm just happy you're here. Your presence is enough, Jesse. Your presence is enough, man. We like having you, man. Maureen likes the new do. Thank you for being here, Maureen. I always try to look good for you. Don't tell Mrs. Otter, okay? Do you hold any spot bag? Oh boy, do we ever. We have over 4 Bitcoin, okay? We also have, and we bought at 20,000. We hold a big old fat altcoin bag. Okay. which is almost equal to my Bitcoin bag. So we have a pretty big Santa Claus sack of spot bags. If you want to know what I hold, it's very simple. It's right here. This is what I hold. Okay, mostly I have one Ethereum left. I just sold 40 ETH over the last 3 weeks and rotated it into these altcoins: Sui, FET, Arbitrum, TIA, Near, Render, Link, Injective, AVAX. Okay, that's the altcoin portfolio, and then we hold a little bit of Solana and a little bit of Ethereum, and then we hold a big chunk of Bitcoin. Okay? But we trade. And then we rotate the profits, and then we buy more spot, mostly Bitcoin. Okay? That's how the cookie crumbles. Thank you for being here, though. What's going on? Stay high, my man. Hopefully you're doing well. TRX, is it getting a pump there? My man, thank you for being. So we were looking here to hold. It came all the way back and revisited previous highs. Look at that. Perfect little retest back into this area. Trying to reclaim it. Could be a potential opportunity. Stay high. Maybe we'll take a look. We do have a Discord live today at 12 o'clock. So for all the Discord members, I'll see you at 12 as well. Looking forward to that. We have gone long today. Look at this. It's already 5 past 10. This is what happens when the wife isn't home. Maybe she's tuned in right now and she's probably like, he's talking shit and I can hear him. This looks a little overextended in my opinion. Yeah. Look at the momentum in here. We're getting bear divs here. Yep, big time bear divs. Big time bear divs. Yeah. A little bit of cooling off here. Are we going to take the short? Or are we crazy? If we short this, we're crazy, right? I think we could short this. Gotta wait for confirmation. Confirmation of the short. So what is confirmation of the short in here? So simply, go on a 1 minute time frame. Mitigating this low. Retest back in. Okay. Coming into resistance, as we know, key level. So there's confluence up here for getting a rejection, first and foremost. This is a key level. So we want to take trades at key levels. Always want to try to take trades at, golden pockets, order blocks, fair value gaps, right? We all want to take those trades at key areas. We don't want to take a trade here, just press buy. Okay, it could work, but a lot of the time you're going to get wrecked. Okay, so we always want to do that. Key trends, key retracements, retest to previous highs, got long off that this morning. Take profit here, okay? Could have stayed in it, didn't want to stay in it, okay? Paid ourselves. Sweep of the highs here, triple high, coming in right now. Rejection. We'll see. Trying to get above this key level of support in here. Looking strong for Bitcoin. Will it continue to push? That is the question, right? For getting long, we want to get in on pullbacks, right? But to me, this has been up only since. So confirmation of a short would be mitigating a low. So coming in here, right? Mitigating a low, retest continuation down, bearish divergence, short here. Down, back into minimum of this low in here. Looking to target that, okay? Right now, this is strong momentum. We don't want to be victim. We don't want to just press sell here. That's what I'm saying. This doesn't give a shit. It can keep going, right? The market can stay, irrational longer than you can stay solvent, right? So we don't want to. The long was down here where we did take it. We did exit, okay? And now it's a matter of being patient and waiting for your opportunity, okay? Then pressing off the fire button on your trade and managing your risk, okay? Where do you get long up here? Where are you going to manage your risk? Below this low here? Could work. Very, very risky in my opinion, right? So we wait. Trading is a game of waiting. setting a very nice bear trap. Okay, here's your bear trap, and you wait for price to step on it, and then you go boom, and then you take your trade. Okay, boom. Nothing till then. Very nice move up here, getting overextended. That's what I see. Coming in, filling in this order block, coming for this high, liquidity at this high in here. Could sweep this high right now as we speak, and then get rejected, right? This is almost turning parabolic now. Nice move for Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to those in the long, man. Congratulations on your long. I love seeing you guys win every single day. It's always an honor and a privilege to hang out with you guys. Come over and hang out. We're going to put that discount on the Discord today. So we'll do 25% because it is $40. So we'll drop it down to, what's 25% of 40? Anyways, we'll put the discount on for the holidays, so anybody who wants to join can get that discount. I'll do that after the stream. I want to say thank you. Beautiful day. Looking like we're getting a little bit of a rejection right now. Be cautious out there, please. Please, please subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much for everything. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning, and I will see the Otter Gang members in the Discord today at 12. All right, mad love. Peace out. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O.